Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the airplane mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing and holding the light button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen. Look for the airplane mode icon, but by default it won't be here. So if you don't have it, don't worry. We can press and hold the menu button. Find the option called Add Controls, tap on it. Now find the airplane mode, tap on it. You will see the message control added. Then you can press the back button. And once you're back in the controls menu, you should see the airplane mode icon in the menu now. Select it, and as you can see, the airplane mode status is off at the moment, so it is turned off. But to turn it on, you can tap on this icon or simply press the start button. And once the status changes to on, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and the airplane mode is enabled at this moment. And to disable it, open the controls menu, select the airplane mode icon and tap on it, or press the start button to disable it. And as you can see, the status changed to off, and the icon went back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And then we can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the airplane mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.